Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy life insurance policies with MetLife step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the MetLife website. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Navigate to the Insurance Products section. Select Life Insurance from the list of available options. Review the different life insurance policies offered by MetLife. Choose the policy that best suits your needs. Click on the Get a Quote button for your selected policy. Fill out the necessary personal information in the quote request form. Provide details about your chosen coverage amount and term length. Submit your quote request to receive your estimated premium. Review the quote provided by MetLife carefully. If satisfied with the estimate, proceed to the application process. Complete the online application form with accurate information. Prepare to provide any required documentation, such as proof of income or identity. Submit your application for processing. Await confirmation from MetLife regarding your application status. Be prepared for a possible medical exam, depending on the policy type. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Receive your final policy offer from MetLife. Review the policy details thoroughly before accepting the offer. Once clear, accept the policy to finalize your coverage. Ensure your first premium payment is made to activate your policy. Keep a copy of your policy documents for your records. Monitor your policy regularly to ensure it continues to meet your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.